She's using her tail as cover from the wind. It's kind of breezy out here today, and somewhere in the 50s, which isn't cold, but for Florida squirrels, it's cold enough. So she has angled her tail, fanned it out to keep the wind away from her face while she eats. This tail is so cool. It's used as a rudder in flight. It's used as an umbrella. It's used as cover. It's used to distract. Some squirrels can heat their tails up so that if you've got something using heat vision or like a pit viper or something, they'll see the prey is bigger and won't mess with it. But I'm not sure if ours can do that. Those are more like desert squirrels, but this thing is multi-versatile. I've seen some of them fan their tails out almost flat to absorb sunlight. And then, of course, if you're being bashful like this, just don't want anybody watching. Right, sweetie? Keep the umbrellas up.